to our today's video. We are going to explain to you how 3 pieces of 80 kilowatt inverter are being parallel. So in our today's installation, we just commissioned the system, 3 pieces of 80 kilowatt inverter system. So the output of each of these inverter comes to this breaker. This is actually a summer that where the paralleling of the inverter was carried out. The output of inverter A comes to breaker A, output of B comes to B, output of inverter C comes to AC breaker C. Now we have a bus bar behind. That's why the paralleling was taking place. Each corresponding phase has its own bus bar and the neutral. Then the effective output was channeled to this main output breaker that supply the load. Now we have an AC set arrestor on each of these inverter, and we also have a fire extinguisher. Now this bus is where the AC mains comes in. This place we have 3 inverters, 1 breaker for each that supply mains to each of the inverter for an option of a grid charging. They can decide to charge the lithium battery with grid or with generator. All this is done through this. We also have a signal monitoring, the AC set, and a fire extinguisher should there be any fire as a result of the operation. Now we have a changeover. The output of this 240 kilowatts inverter comes to this changeover. Down terminal is the inverter bypass, that's utility, supply, or generator. If this inverter has any challenge, they can decide to bypass the inverter and supply the load with generator or NEPA, and the maintenance work will carry out. Thank you for listening.